In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use SpotHero. SpotHero is a fantastic tool that simplifies finding and reserving parking. It lets you browse parking options at various locations, ensuring you never waste time searching for a spot again. By the end of this video, you will be equipped with the knowledge needed to navigate the app seamlessly. First, open the SpotHero app on your device. If you don't have it yet, you can easily download it from your app store. Once it's open, you will see a user-friendly interface designed for easy navigation. This initial step is crucial because it sets the stage for all your parking needs. You want to ensure you have the latest version for optimal performance. Next, sign in to your SpotHero account, or continue as a guest if you prefer not to create an account. Signing in allows you to access all your previous reservations and saved payment methods. This little step saves you time later when you need to book parking quickly. If you choose to proceed as a guest, just keep in mind that you might miss some personalized features. Now, enter your destination in the search bar. You can search for a nearby address, airport, or event venue. This is an important step because accurate input helps the app find the best parking options tailored to your location. As you type, the app may suggest popular locations, making it even easier for you to select the right one. After that, select your arrival and departure dates and times. This helps narrow down the parking options to those available during your specific time frame. It's essential to be precise here as different times can affect availability and pricing. By entering this information accurately, you ensure a smooth booking experience. With everything filled out, tap Search. The app will take a moment to process your request and display a list of available parking options. You'll see various choices along with their respective prices, amenities, and distances from your destination. This feature is beneficial because it empowers you to make informed decisions based on your needs and budget. Once the search results are up, browse the available parking options and compare them. Pay attention to details like distance to your destination, security features, and any additional amenities offered. This step matters because it allows you to choose the most convenient and cost-effective option. Take your time to weigh your choices carefully. Next up, select the parking location you want. This choice should be based on your earlier comparisons. Once you've made your selection, you will be taken to a new screen where you can review the parking details. This includes important information such as entry instructions and any specific requirements for that location. After reviewing, tap Reserve or Book. This action confirms your choice and moves you to the payment stage. You will feel a sense of relief knowing your parking is secured. It's always good to double-check the details before confirming, as any errors can lead to complications later. Now, enter or select your payment method and complete your purchase. SpotHero offers various payment options for your convenience. This step is crucial because it finalizes your reservation and ensures you have a parking spot waiting for you. Once your payment is processed, you will receive a confirmation. When you arrive at the parking location, open your parking pass in the app or check your email for it. Follow the provided instructions, which may include scanning a QR code, showing the pass to an attendant, or entering your license plate number. This part is essential as it allows for a smooth entry into the parking facility. Finally, park your vehicle and enjoy your trip. You can rest easy knowing that you have secured parking in advance. Remember, most SpotHero locations accept a digital parking pass, so printing is typically unnecessary. Just be sure to follow the parking instructions on your pass and adhere to your reservation times to avoid extra charges. Many reservations can also be modified or extended through the app if space is available. Now you're ready to use SpotHero like a pro. Enjoy your hassle-free parking experience.